Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to your Shopify product page. This is essential for giving your customers detailed information about what you're selling and can significantly improve your conversion rates. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your entire online store. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Products. This section houses all the items you're currently selling or have listed in your store. You'll see a list of all your products displayed, and from here, click on the specific product you want to add a description to. This will open up the product details page. On this page, you'll notice a field labeled Description. This is where you'll type in all the relevant information about your product, whether it's features, benefits, dimensions, or anything else your customers need to know. Take your time here to craft something compelling and informative. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, click the Save button located at the top of the page to ensure your changes are stored. Next, we need to make sure this description actually appears on your live product page. To do this, navigate back to the left side menu and click on Online Store. This section controls how your storefront looks and functions. You'll see your current theme displayed, and right beside it, there's a button that says Edit Theme. Go ahead and click that to open the theme editor. Once the editor loads, look at the top of the screen where you'll see a drop-down that likely says Homepage. Click on it to reveal more options. From this menu, select Products and then click on Default Product. This takes you to the template that controls how all your product pages are structured. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see all the sections that make up your product page. Scroll through these until you find and click on Product Information. This is the area where you can add and arrange different elements that appear on your product pages. Now, click the Add Block button. A list of available blocks will appear, and from this list, select Description. This block is what will display the description you wrote earlier on the actual product page. If you want to rearrange where the description appears, simply click and drag the description block up or down to your preferred position. Once everything looks exactly how you want it, click the Save button in the top right corner to publish your changes. Your product description is now live and visible to anyone browsing that product page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.